Hello, we're going to teach you how to replace a broken touchscreen. In this case, if you need to replace a touchscreen, it would either be cracked like this one, or it can be fully intact and not have any response whatsoever. In this case, this one is cracked. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the touchscreen. The tools you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, and your replacement touchscreen and housing. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tablet, which in this case it's a 774 TPC. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, peel that off, unhook that. Now we take our Phillips screwdriver, and there are 3 screws here. There's one here in the middle, and one right here by the camera. In this case, there isn't one. There isn't one by the camera, so we're totally okay with that. Now we take our flathead screwdriver, and we just gently pry it out, like so. Also, make sure to stick a screwdriver in here and wiggle out the Wi-Fi antenna. Otherwise, because you do not want that to break. So, screwdriver. And here we have our broken LCD. Most cases, what you should do before changing the touchscreen is, if there is physical damage on the touchscreen, what you should always do is plug it in and check for damage on the LCD screen. If the LCD screen also shows damage, you will have to change that as well. But in this case, we don't have to. So there is our LCD. There is our LCD with battery and motherboard. Now we take our brand new touchscreen, peel out the back.
Have you seen this? This is connected with the
We peel out the adhesive.
The computer. Yeah, that's the USB, so the work fine. Okay,
and now
find another one.
We take our housing
Find another one.
and carefully align it with the housing. Align the two together to create your touchscreen. It takes a while to get it right, but just be patient and try to do it as carefully and slowly as possible.
Okay.
Okay, the soldering only here and here.
这种呢，你看这种的，它边上根本就没有东西了。你要是焊一个 USB 上去了，肯定摸一下就掉了。所以说你就把这上面刮掉。
Take off the.
哎，把铜片现在都刮出来了。
This is plastic maybe. Take off the plastic.
With our touchscreen successfully secured onto the housing, we take the old touchscreen and we just throw it away. We now take the rest of our tablet
因为你是要往上看的话，你底下刮它就没有用了嘛。你如果你看不到，你只能出去。那你就要看的话，你就要刮两边，刮这里。
and we just gently put it back into the touchscreen. Take your flathead screwdriver, try to loosen it if you need to, so that you can get all of it in there. And after that, everything else just snaps back into place. We then take the connection and then connect it in here. And lastly, we take our Phillips head screwdriver just add a third one just to be safe. After that, take our tape, secure it to the motherboard. We take our back case, and we carefully put it back into the case.
是只有920吗？还是9字头都是需要？
不是920电路板不一样，920有一个高压对联，所以叫
910那些没有。
910应该不要，应该跟这个一样的。
2K 的不用，就是那个910是 A20的，是全市的方案，还有芯片不一样。
And that is how you change a touchscreen.